I am collapsing the CQV trust,
Okay, we will take a brief
which you
recess.
have charged,
Time we will resume with
as
the
there is no value in the trust. You have committed fraud on the court. Did you not create controversy?
You're fired.
Okay. Well, that's going to be up to the judge, I'm afraid. Because the judge appointed me, and only the judge can take me off the case. If she wants to do that, that's fine. I'll let her know she will.
He's fired too.
Excuse me, sir, I'm dealing with a, talk to your
I do not
attorney before you
consent.
leave, sir.
Thank you.
Go ahead before the motion for Mr. Ingress.
I do. State versus John Ingress.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Ingress, would you come forward, sir, and join
Are you
counsel?
saying that the trust you are administering is the John Ingress Trust?
Mr. Ingress, if you'd come up, sir, and stand beside Attorney David Al.
John Ingress is in the court. That's you, Judge, as trustee. You are John Ingress today, aren't you?
Attorney David Al.
Yes, ma'am.
Before we go any further, I need to know who you are.
I am
Clerk.
Judge Crocker, right here.
Thank you. Clerk, are you the CQV trustee who has appointed this judge as administrator and trustee of the constructive trust, case number 458-2010-CR-01203?
Mr. Attorney David Al, your motion for competency evaluation is granted, and we will ensure that before before Attorney Ingress is back before the court, that we're sure that he understands the workings of the court.
Clerk, did you also appoint the prosecutor as executor of this constructive trust?
Mr. Ingress,
You are the
excuse
trustee,
me, Mr. Ingress,
and
Mr.
are you not the
Ingress.
executor?
Mr. Ingress.
I'm the beneficiary,
Well,
and I authorize you to handle the accounting and dissolve this constructive trust.
Mr. Ingress.
I now claim my body
Mr. Ingress, I will.
as I am collapsing the CQV trust,
Okay, we will take a brief
which you
recess.
have charged,
Time we will resume with
as
the
there is no value in the trust. You have committed fraud on the court. Did you not create controversy?
Can you talk here?
Well, Mr. Ingress, it's personal to your case. I don't think you want to do that in public.
I'd like to bring a court reporter.
Mr. Ingress, I just want to let you know that the court is ordering you to speak to a state psychiatrist before this case goes
I don't
any
consent.
further. I'm afraid it's a court order.
I'm afraid I don't consent to the court order.
There are consequences when you don't consent to a court order.
There are consequences when a higher law is violated by pretend authorities.
Mr. Ingress, I'm sorry that you feel that way. It's probably not best to have this conversation at this moment.
Would
Please
there
feel
be-
free to make an appointment to talk to me at my office.
Would he have the opportunity to have alternate physician counsel? Would he have the opportunity to have an alternate physician issue an opinion on that as well, if he's ordered
I
to?
can't talk to anybody else about his case.
Now, with all due respect, counselor, it's not about your client's case. I'm asking about the procedure in general. Anytime you agree with a cop that somebody needs to be subject to a psychiatric evaluation, I need to know what the process is.
Well, if he authorizes it, then certainly if he waives confidentiality, you could, right? Do you want to waive confidentiality? Did you want to waive confidentiality?
Sure.
Sure, well, why don't you waive confidentiality then? Counsel, Mr.
I can't leave the court right now.
He's waived confidentiality, counsel, so did you have any comment that, notwithstanding that?
Competency is an issue in this case.
I beg your pardon? Competency is an issue, so therefore, I understand your position, counsel.
So this waiver, to me, is not effective.
But he's not been yet declared incompetent, has he?
No, he hasn't.
Okay. I understand, counsel. Thank you.